Yo, what?
And then you move it out like this, and then you do R, U prime, R prime to insert it. Doing the Y pump on the 2x2 cube. The algorithm is in the description. You keep this corner. So here is an alternate right hand version of doing the edge pump on a 3x3 cube. You do R2, U2, R2, U2, R2. Let's begin. First, let's talk about the specs. This cube is 55mm long, which makes it very suitable for two hands.
Hey guys, I'm Ram and I'm going to tell you guys why I think the MS 2x2 is the best budget 2x2.
Hey guys, I know what you're thinking. It's been a long while. I haven't posted anything. That's because I was a bit busy. But now I am finally back. And I can say that this video is kinda inspired by Cubett's video. But this has 3 challenges instead of just one. On 16th April 2021, your boy just hit 100 subscribers. This me ChatCuber here, and today in this video we are going to be doing 10 3x3ers 1 scramble. This is my first ever X-Cubers 1 scramble video, so I hope you will like it. Some 4 stones. It has a very unique feel. Or just practice a event, let's say 2x2 for a week. I just forget all other events like 4x4 and 3x3, and that really impacts my time. So into the PBL and done. I did very slowly with we have this thingy over here, wherein you have to put this thingy into this thingy. I know, very confusing.
And my goal for 2022 will be obviously to learn 3x3 blindfolded. And yeah, my main will be the Waylong WRM 2021 just because it feels very quiet.
Hey guys, so I have finally completed 1 year on YouTube. I started my journey right from January 2021 and now we are in January 2022. And guys, thank you all so much for 200 subscribers. Like, the support I'm getting is just incredible. Like on 16th April, 100 subscribers and now 200 subscribers. Like, this is totally unbelievable for me. And now 5 times more and we will be at 1k subs, which is mind-blowing. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Thank you guys. Also guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.